Good Monday morning, everybody. It's Monday, April 13th, and here we are. Um, Today in math class, we're going to continue with the dividing fractions, but this time we're going to divide fractions by whole numbers with word problems, which I know kind of strikes fear in some people's minds, but it won't be too tough. The hardest part with things like that is figuring out what are they asking me. When you read the math problems, we have to look for key words like product or quotient, the difference between, those things mean multiplication, division, subtraction. So just the hardest part really is figuring out what do they want. Once we get that, I think we'll be fine. So that's what we're going to do in math today. In language arts, we are having a Zoom class meeting today because we're talking about prefixes. Specifically negative prefixes, things like in or ill, little bits of a word that go on the front of the rest of a word and change the meaning. So we'll get to learn a little bit about that today. There's a worksheet that we can kind of work through together. It's got some new words on it, so I think we'll learn new words and about prefixes. It'll be good. And in case that wasn't enough, you're in luck. We have another Zoom meeting today. We actually have two today. At Language Arts, that one's at 10:30, and then at 12:15, we get to have a English meeting where we're gonna today just share what we wrote about on Friday. What are some things that make you unique? One of the great things about teaching at an international school is we have so many different people with so many different experiences. So I think there will be a lot of good unique ideas. So I'm looking forward to it. But that's at 12:15 today. And the last thing is science class. We have a brain pop video to watch. We're talking about changing states of matter. We've learned a little bit about different states of matter. You have solids, liquids, and gas. And when we had our Zoom class last week, you guys did a really good job of asking questions about things that are solids that become liquids, or liquids that become solids, like ice turning into water, things like that. So yeah, that's more of what we're going to talk about today, just the change between these things, because it's not always easy to do. You can take water and put it in your freezer and it'll get hard and turn into ice. If you're going to try and take rocks, like nice solid rocks like you find outside, and turn those into liquid, you have to do a lot more heating or a lot more squishing or something. So we'll learn about stuff like that today too. Other than that, that's basically it. I'll see you guys quite a bit today, I guess, starting here at 10:30. For the language arts, all we need to have are the prefix worksheet, which is in the daily lesson plan, and I will explain the rest. And with the Zoom meeting for English, all you have to do is have your what makes you unique paragraph from Friday, and we'll talk about those. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm looking forward to seeing you, and talk soon. Bye, guys.